Good morning all of you. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, factors. Factors. The basic step, factors. You should know about factors very well. Factors. Right. Then they ask here, this is not new thing for you. Write the factors of 10. Write the factors of 10. Factors of 10. Then when write the factors of 10, write the factors of 10 right. Then there are two main steps, right? The first method is the basic method. First method is, method 1 is how to make 10, to multiply. To make 10, then we should 1 multiply by 10. When 1 multiply by 10, it will make 10. Again, when 2 multiply by 5, it will make 5. That's all, no? Then 1 into 10, 10, and 2 into 5, 10. That's all. Then 1 into 10 and 2 into 5. Then we can write this 1 and 2 and 5 and 10 are factors of 10. Then you can see the 1 and 10 are factors, and 2 and 5. When other 2 and 5, then this 2 and 5 divisible by 10, no? Then 10, when 10, 2 can divide by 10. 5 also can divide by 10. No? When 10 divided by 2, 5. When 10 divided by 5, 2. Then everyone can divide by 10. Yeah? 10, when 10 divided by 1, 10. When 10 divided by 2, 5. When 10 divided by 5, 2. When 10 divided by 10, 1. It will make this. Right? These are factors of 10. Right? This is method 1. This is method 1. Right. Second method is division method. Second method is division method. To make 10, you know the 10 divided by 2. You can divide by 10, 2. When 10 divided by 2, 5. Yeah, division method. 10 divided by 2, 5. Then 5. When 5 divided by 5, 1. When 5 divided by 5, 1. Right, remain 1. Now the factors of 10 is, here 1 are there, then here 2 are there, then 5 and 10. There are 4 factors of 10. 1, 2, 5, 10. 1, 2, 5, 10. Understand? Write the factors of 10. Write the factors of 10. Another example. Write the factors of 25. Write the factors of 25. With the first method is 25. To make 25, 1 into 25. Then 5 into 5. The factors of 25 is 1, and you can see there are 2 5s. Then you have to write only 1 5. 5 and 25. There are three factors. The second thing, 25, when division, when 25 can't divide by 2, then 3 and 5, only 5, 25 divide. When 25 divided by 5, 5. Again 5 are there, 5 divided by 5, 1. Then 25, what are the factors? 1, 5 and 25. Understand? 1, 5, 25. Right? Okay. Then another example. Write the factors of 40. Write the factors of 40. The first method is to make 40. 1 into 40. 2 into 20. 4 into 10. 5 into 8. These are the factors. That's all, no? 8 into 5, 10 into 4, 20 into 2, 40 into 1. Then the factors of 40 is 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, 40. How many factors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 factors of 40. The second method is to make for the division method. 2 divide by 2, 40 divide by 2, 20. When 20 divide by 2, 10. When 10 divide by 2, 5. When 5 divide by 5, 1. Right, now to make 40, look at this. What are the factors? 1 are there. You can see 1. And also you can see here 2. Can you see 4? Can you see 4? 4 is a factor. Then 2 into 2. But no, you can't see here. But 2 into 2, 4. 4 also factor. Then you can see 5. 5 is a factor. Then can you see 8 is a factor? But no 8. But 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 is a factor. Then 10. You can see 10. 10 is a factor. Then 20. 20 also there. 20 also there. Then 40. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. Understand? Understand? This is how we get the factors of a number. Right. These are the factors. Right. Look at this. When sometimes some numbers are there, especially 2, 3, 5. What are the specialty of this? Specialty of this. Right. When we write the factors, when 2, only 1 into 2, no? 2 into 1. The factors of 2 is 1 and 2. Only 2 factors are there. When 3, 1 into 3. 3 into 1. When 3, 1 and 3. 2 factors. Then 5, 1 into 5. Then 5 is 1 and 5. Right? Then 7, 1 into 7. Only, yes. Right? 7. 5. And 7. 1 into 7. Only to make 7. 1 into 7. 1 into 7. Now can you see here, especially 2, 3, 5, 7. There are only 2 factors are there. There are only 2 factors are there. There are only 2 factors are there. If only 2 factors are there, we can call these numbers prime factors. If not prime numbers. Prime numbers. If not prime factors. Prime numbers, prime factors. If only 2 factors are there, it is called prime numbers. Understand? New word, prime numbers. Only 2 factors are there. Then here 2, 3, 5, 7 are only 2 factors. Another one. Then 11. 11 also 1 into 2, 11, no? 11 into 1. Then to make 11, only 1 into 11. There are 2 factors. But 4 is 4 prime. Then 1 into 4. And 2 into 2. Then the factors of 4 is 1, 2 and 4. Now you can see there are 3 factors are there. Then let's get 15. 1 into 5. 1 into 15. 3 into 5. To make 15, there are 1, 3, 5, 15. There are 4 factors. Here, more than 2. If more than 2 factors are there, it is called these numbers composite numbers. Composite numbers. If not composite factors. Understand? Composite numbers. These are composite numbers. Right? Right. Okay. Then here 4 and 15 are composite numbers. Then here 25. More than 2. Right. Here then when we compare 2 and 16 here, then 1 into 2. to make 2, 1 into 1 comma 2. Then 16, 1 into 16, 2 into 8, 4 into 4. Here how many factors are there? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. No, there are 5 factors, only 2. This is prime number, this is composite number. If 2 factors are their prime numbers, if more than 2 composite numbers. Understand? Prime numbers and composite numbers. Okay. Then, if 2 factors, what is the prime numbers? What are the prime numbers? What are the prime numbers of, what are the prime numbers less than 50? What are the composite numbers less than 50? Right. What are the prime numbers less than 50? The first prime number is 2. Only 1 into 2. Then 3. 1 into 3. Then 5. 1 into 5. Then 7. 1 into 7. Then after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is also prime number. 11. 13 also 1 into 13. 17 also prime number. 17. 19 also a prime number. 21, 22, 23 is a prime number. 27 also prime number. 1 into 27. No, not 27. 3 into 9. 29 is a prime number. 30, 31 also prime number. 37 is a prime number. 41 also prime number. 43, 47. These are the prime numbers of less than 50. Then the opposite one of prime is composite numbers. The first composite number is 4. Without this 4. Then 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30, 31, not 31, 30, 32, 33, 34, 35. Yes, you can select. Right, you can select. These are the composite numbers. Now you know what are the prime numbers and composite numbers. Right, what are the prime numbers and composite numbers. Right. Right, can you complete this can you do this homework at home? Homework. Write the factors. Write the factors. First one 10. Second one 35. B. C 100. D 25. E 400. F 1000. Right? G 95. H 36. I 225. Right, do this at home. Write the factors, find the factors of these numbers. Right. Then today, using these factors, we are going to learn least common multiply. Least common multiply. Least common multiply. The short form is LCM. To find the LCM, how we find the LCM? Right? How to find the LCM? Right? Okay. Then find here, for example, 12 and 15. Find the LCM of 12 and 15. They ask find the LCM of 12 and 15. There are so many methods, but among them I am going to teach you only three methods. The first method is method 1. The first method is method 1, right? The LCM. Here, look at this 12 and 15. Now 12 and 15. 12 and 15 together. 12 and 15. Here 12 and 15 you can see 12. The unit place is 2. Here the unit place is 5. But 2 is there. Then 12, only 12 can divide by 2. No? But 15 not divide by 2. But no matter, 12 can divide by 2. Then divide by 2. When 12 divide by 2? When 12 divide by 2? 6. But 15 can't divide by 12. When 15 divide by 12, 1 remained. Therefore 15. You can write 15. When 6 and 15. But 6 can again divide by 2. 15 not divide by 2. But 6 can divide by 2. Therefore divide by 2. Both 1. When 6 divide by 2, 3. 15 can't divide by 2. When divide by 2, 1 remain. Therefore 15. Let's write 15. Then 3 and 15. Then both 1 can't divide by 2. But 3 and 15 both 1 can divide by 3. No. Then next let's divide by 3. When 3 divide by 3. When 3 divide by 3. 3 divide by 3 1. 15 divide by 3 5. Then 1 and 5 remain. Then 1 and 5 are there. Then 5 is there. You can divide by both 1 5. When 5 divide by 1, no 1. Then 5 divide by 5 1. Here 1 and 1. Then here you can see those are here 2, 2, 3, 5. Those are everyone are prime numbers. No. Then the LCM of 12 and 15 is here 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Multiply these prime numbers. Multiply of these prime numbers. When multiply of these prime numbers, 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 5, 60. The answer is 60. How can we get it? 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 5, 60. Answer is 60. This is the method 1. Method 2, second method. This is very important method. Method 2. 12 and 15, 1 by 1. 12 and 15. Let's get 1 by 1. Then earlier together. Then 1 by 1. Right? Then 12. Then you can see the unit place is 2. Then 12 can divide by 2. When 12 divide by 2, 6. Again 6 are there. Now 6 can divide by 2. Then 6 divide by 2, 3. Now 3 remain. Now 3 only can divide by 3. When 3 divide by 3, 1. When 3 divide by 3, 1. Then 12 you can write 12. You can write here. Look at this. How many 2's are there? 2 into 2, no? There are 2. As an indicize, there are 2. Multiply 2. When 2 multiply 2, you can write 2 to the power 2. Then only 1, 3. 3 to the power 1. Right? Then 15. Again, 15 can we divide by 2? But find the unit place is 5. Can't divide by 2. Then divide by 3. Then 15 divide by 3, 5. Then 5 only divide by 5. Then 5 divide by 5, 1. Then 15 you can write 3 to the power 1 and 5 to the power 1. All they should write as an indicize. Right. When I learn indecise lesson, 2 to the power 3, I told you this is base, this is base, this is index, this is index. Both base and index power. Then you can see, to find the LCM of these, then you can see few bases. Then 2 to the power 2, the base is 2. 3 to the power 1, the base is 3. Then 5 to the power 1, base is 5. Then when you check the base 3, base 2, the highest power is 2 to the power 2. When we get the base 3, the highest power is 3 to the power 1. When we get the base 5, the highest power is 5 to the power 1. Then 2 to the value of 2 to the power 2 is 4. 3 to the power 1 is 3. 5 to the power 1, 5 is 5. 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 5, 60. Answer is 60. This is the second method, 60. Here, same one. Right? Okay. Method 2. Method 2. Right. Method 3. Can I write this method 3? Method 3. Method 3. The third method is 12. Here. And 15. Multiplies of 12. What are the multiplies of 12? What are the first numbers of multiplies of 12? The first one is 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72. No? These are the multiplies of 12. Now multiplies of 15. What are the first multiplies of 15? The first one is 50. Then 30, 45, 60, 75. These are the multiplies of 15. Now you can see what is the common of this. Then 60 is common. No, both of them 60 is common. Then next, when you write this multiplies of 12, 120. Here 15, 120. Again 120, 180, 240 are common. Then least common number is 60. The LCM of this is least 60. Here 3 answers, same. 3 methods. But you should practice second method. Especially the grade 10 are there. You should practice this method. You should practice second method. Understand? You can get the answers using 3 methods. Here method 2 is very important one. To find the LCM. Okay. I think we will understand. Another one. Huh? Another one. Right. Find the LCM of LCM of 25, 45 and 60. 3 numbers are there. Right. Do this. Then I told you there are 3 methods. The method 1. Method 1 is 25, 40, 5 and 60. The first method. Then together. Then let's divide by 2, 3 or 5. Here 25 can't divide by 2. Then 45 also can't. But 60 can divide by 2. No? Therefore let's divide by 2. When 25 divided by 2, 1 remain. Therefore 25. Then 45 divided by 2, 45. Then 60 divided by 2, 30. Again 25 and 45 can't divide by 2. But 30 can divide by 2. Then 25 divided by 2, 2, 45. Then 30 divided by 2, 15. Here 25, 45, 15. Now can divide by 3 by 2? Can't. Then can we divide by 3? Yes, 15 and 45 can divide by 3. Then 25 can't divide by 3. Then 25. Then 45 divided by 3, 15. No? Then 15 divided by 3, 5. Again 25, 15, 5. But you can see 15 are there. Again can divide by 3. 25 divided by 3, 25. 15 divided by 3, 5. 5 divided by 3, 5. Again 25, 5, 5. Then this 3 can only divide by 5. When 25 divided by 5, 5. 5 divided by 5, 1. 5 divided by 5, 1. Again when divided by 5, 5 divided by 5, 1. 1 divided by 5, 1, 1. Here you can see these prime numbers. What are the 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. When multiply this prime number, we can get the value of LCM. Then 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 3, 9. Here 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 4, 100. 100 into 9, 900. The LCM is 900. Using first method. Using first method, the LCM is 900. Understand? The LCM is 900. Okay. LCM is 900. How can we get it? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. 900. Okay. Now let's get method 2. Method 2. Right? Then 1 by 1. 25, 45, 60. Right. When divide by 2, 25 can divide by 2. 3, 4, no, only 5. When 25 divided by 5, 5. Then 5 divided by 5, 1. Again 45 can't divide by 2, 3. 15, when 15 divided by 3, 3, 5. When 5 divided by 5, 1. Then 60 divided by 2, 30. When 30 divided by 2, 15. When 15 divided by 3, 5. When 5 divided by 5, 1. Then 25 can write as an indicize 5 to the power 2. 5 to the power 2. Then 45 can write 3 to the power 2 and 5 to the power 1. Then 60 can write 2 to the power 2, 3 to the power 1 and 5 to the power 1. Right? Now the LCM of this, you can see the bases 2, 3 and 5. The LCM of this is when we get the bases of 5, the highest one is 5 to the power 2. When we get the bases here, 5 to the power 1 are there, but the highest power is 5 to the power 2. When we get the bases 3, the highest power is 3 to the power 2. Highest power is 3 to the power 2. When we get here 3 to the power 1 are there, but highest power is 2 to the power 2. When we get the power 2, base 2, the highest base is 2 to the power 2. Then 5 to the power 2, 25, 9, 4. The answer is 900. Answer is 900. Understand? Same answer. You can use both methods, but method 2 is important one. Understand? Right. Okay. Then can we simplify another one using third method, second method? Find the LCM of 60 and 90. Now I use the third method, 60 and 90, using 60 and 90. This is the third method. Next, divide by 2. When divided by 60, 30. When 30 divided by 2, 15. Again 15 divided by 3, 5. Again 5 divided by 5, 1. Then 90 can divide by 2, 45. 45 can divide by 3, 15. Again 15 divided by 3, 5. 5 divided by 5, 1. Then 60 can write as an indicize 2 to the power 2, 3 to the power 1 and 5 to the power 1. 90 can write 2 to the power 1 and 3 to the power 2 and 5 to the power 1. The LCM of this is, the highest base is when we get the base 2, 2 to the power 2. And when we get the base 3, 3 to the power 2. And when we get the base 5, 5 to the power 1. Then 2 to the power 2, 4, 3 to the power 2, 9, 5. Then when we 9 into 4, 36. 36 into 5, 30. 170. Answer is 170. Not 180, not 70, 180. The answer is 180. Understand? I think you will understand how to find the LCM. How to find the LCM. Okay, do this exercise. Do this exercise at home. Complete. sorry, do this. If not, simplify. Find the LCM. A 20, 30. B 35, 40. Find the LCM using method 1. Method 1.